How to change your background on Zoom and add a virtual background. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can change the background before and after a Zoom meeting. Now to change the background on Zoom, just open the desktop app and click on the profile icon, which is on the top right icon, as you can see. Once you tap on your profile icon on the top right over here on the drop down menu, you just want to select the option called settings. And as soon as you select the option called settings, on the left hand side over here you'll find all these options. Here you just want to go to the one that says background filters. So as you can see over here, now if you don't see this option, then you can also go to a URL and sign into your account and scroll down to virtual background under in meeting and click the slider to right to the enable this option over here. Now what you can do is, after you simply click on the background and filters option on the next particular page, make sure to turn on the toggle next to virtual background and also make sure to allow use of videos as a virtual background. And finally, just change your background using one of Zoom's default images or click the plus sign to upload your own image or video over here. If you select blur, it will only make your background opaque, but it will also blur out any objects that are too close or far from your camera, including the objects that you are currently holding. And if your background is bleeding onto your clothes or there are empty spaces in the image, then try and checking the box next to I have a green screen over here. You should still get the same green screen effect, but your outline might not be as quite as sharp in some cases. And unchecking this box will also use more resources, which could cause your computer to actually slow down. Now you should only check the green box if you're sitting in front of a green screen on a wall in one solid color over here. And this is simply as to how you can change your background on Zoom. If you want to change the background during a Zoom meeting, then right over here you'll find this option. As well, you just want to make sure to tap on the drop down menu and simply select the option called choose virtual background, and just like that you'll also be able to change your background meeting during a Zoom meeting. If you want, you can also add some video filters and studio effects on Zoom. In addition to changing background on Zoom, you can also go to settings, background and filters, and select video filters if you want to. This is simply how you can change your background in Zoom and add a virtual background. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.